All right, guys, so we are rolling up on another Ford with some issues. This one was it a Ford that we just pulled out like the other day with the blown tranny?
Yeah.
So this is the second blown tranny Ford in 2 days.
Third.
We had one yesterday. Third?
Within a week.
Third, okay, there you go. So yeah, I mean, technically, because that is crazy. We haven't had one before that. So yeah, this is our third Ford with a blown transmission in the last 7 days, which kind of says a lot. They're all bigger, so, you know, putting a lot of stress on it, but, you know. So we're gonna get this thing hooked up and get it out of here. Dude, the sky is beautiful. Yeah, we'll tell them and I can back up more if I need to. Yeah, we got all of our own equipment that's all insurance approved and shit like that, so you ain't got to worry about it. We appreciate that. I mean, shit, if there was a rope I was going to trust, it's probably that big old girl. That's a thick rope right there.
450, you want to go hook to this son makes it he couldn't pull me out of here.
Really?
Yeah.
450 couldn't get you out?
Nope.
Well, I'm going to show you what a Toyota can do, I'll tell you that. You can roll, right?
It rolls, baby.
All right.
Just complete the shot.
All right. You guys ready for a show?
We've been waiting all day, kid. Turn it on.
All right, that's what I like to hear. All right, I hear you. I'll try not to disappoint. Been working, how about that?
Cinch knot, baby.
Yeah.
Done. Easy to undo.
That's what we're talking about. So you had an F450 pulling on a dually?
No, the damn.
Just a regular?
Had 1740s on the son, which you still couldn't do.
He had what?
Yeah.
He had 40s on 17s?
Yeah.
This is not ideal. Right, we all want out of here. I'm done with the day. We're done. Oh, wait. F450 pulling on a dually?
No, the damn.
Just a regular?
Had 1740s on the son, which you still couldn't do.
He had what?
Yeah.
He had 40s on 17s?
Yeah.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Damn.
That's impressive.
That's a big truck that couldn't get you.
Goddamn sand, he buried. When he started going down, and I couldn't help him.
We're gonna see what we can do.
I'm kind of curious about this one now.
Yeah, you got me a little worried, I ain't gonna lie.
There it goes. It's trying to go down.
There we go.
There we go. There we go. Usually take a screwdriver and a hammer to do it.
Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, don't lose that.
Well, you lose all kind of shit out here, huh?
Oh yeah, we have lost all kinds of shit. Yep.
How many horsepower?
It's a stock 5.7 intake and exhaust. They make about 400 horsepower, 450 torque.
Let's see it.
I'm about to supercharge it soon, hopefully.
Let's see it. Give it a little man a ride.
All right, so game plan. If I can get you up moving straight. Hold on 1 second. All right, here we go. You're in neutral.
Montage.
If it takes a few more yanks, it might be worth going to Gen 2 and double. I may end up putting a second truck on the phone. We're moving here. I can winch it. Like, what's going to be the most practical? If I winch it, you know how slow I'm going to roll. No, I like it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not worried about that. I'm more worried about it. So, I'm going to give it a few more. See if we can get rolling. I know I'm moving, so I'm going to do 2 or 3 more. If I'm wailing on it too hard, I might get a second truck. I'm going to give it like 3, 4 more. If not, we're going to get that too.
Much later.
That's what I knew.
Ma'am, your Jeep isn't going to pull it out. Stop talking about it. It's going to come pull it out.
Oh man. Soft shackle.
Look at shit. That's the bitch I just want to fuck out of here.
Right, we all want out of here. I'm done with the day. We're done.
We're in neutral, so whatever y'all got to do, we'll
Yep,
ride.
yep.
I've been fucking with this bitch stuck since.
I think we're gonna have to take it wide. I don't think we're gonna be able to pinch it with how long we are. So we're probably gonna go up by those 2 people and swing it wide. All right, so do you want to like try and almost touch by where these people are and just swing it wide?
Close.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm coming right by you. I gotta swing it wide, just FYI. I'm just letting them know.
Montage.
Oh wait. My low wasn't engaged. We're good now.
There, you can afford to. I ain't charging him $300. No?
Did you even ask him when he was charging?
That's what
You
he
just asked
said.
him that? That's not what I'm charging him.
Hey, my bad. My bad, homie. My bad.
Yes, sir. I just want to get my job done.
All right. We got to get stuff on.
Ain't nothing you're saying gonna change the situation I'm dealing with right now. We're talking about a truck I don't have. So it don't fucking matter. You know what I
I mean? I don't know. Oh, my
This is not ideal. I can't think of anything else.
At least you got comfy.
I know. Thank you guys for showing up. Like, bruh, 50 foot wouldn't have done much of a difference.
I mean, on this.
Oh, how much line do I have?
Yeah.
75 feet, I believe.
Start repositioning.
And get up ahead.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, once I'm closer to the concrete, you might be able to, if I have solid static, you might be able to pull from the front. You want me to go on the right of you?
Soon after.
So what would you do different?
That's why you charge so much money to pull it well. That's a scam.
Oh, it's a scam. Okay.
Meanwhile.
Right. I don't think you realize we have a good local community.
You need to shut the fuck up. Hands up, lady.
Go have another drink and enjoy your
You clearly have nothing better to do.
You're causing problems. Actually, I live here. Well, good for you. That treat people with respect.
Right. If I have an official business, why are you calling me a scam? What's up? What's up? I'm still winching. No, I thought he had an actual thing.
None of it matters, man. You know?
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
I think his braids look awesome.
You're a sweetheart, man. Are you married?
How do you deal with that, buddy? I love you, man.
Yes!
It doesn't move it any faster. It's a 30,000 pound winch. I don't need a snatch block. It's a 30,000 pound winch. I don't need a snatch block. It won't go any faster. That increases my pulling weight. I don't need to increase my pulling weight. Christian, come this way. You don't want to be too close to the line. This turned into an eventful 4th of July real quick. But it's a 30,000 pound winch. I'm not stressing it that much. The 12 I probably could have used a snatch block on, to be honest. The 12 could have used a snatch block.
Yeah.
2 very boring minutes later.
Got it.